I was cleaning the lint filter while the dryer was running, yes I know. Stupid.my little sock got sucked into the lint vent slot. My Maytag made an awful sound and smell while I panicked and finally shut it off. So all your advice is excellent. And I followed all the steps and opened up the back of the dryer, took out the vent cover and cleaned out the entire thing. But I cannot find this flipping sock. Is it possible that it got sucked into the outer drum? Could it go past the fan somehow and into the nether regions of the dryer? Watched YouTube after YouTube on how to replace a fan, just to understand the innards and workings. But really hesitant to take the whole thing apart from the front and remove the belts and all. My husband is useless for this sort of thing, so it all falls to me. Yes, was my sock. Without putting the back on fully, I plugged it in and it spins/heats without noise, but I think I see something in there through the holes. Seriously. Is it possible it got past the fan somehow and is inside there? Help.
Can you guesstimate how old your Maytag is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Hang on 1 second, okay? I'll run downstairs and confirm. It's not too old. I already took off the back, the filter cover and cleaned the whole shooting match.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Med 5,870 Taiwan dollars Maytag legacy, and yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Just answer. All I really need to know, is it possible that the sock got sucked into the area outside the drum, as I couldn't find it in the lint trap assembly or chute?
Hello, this is Dave and I welcome you to Just Answer. I'm reviewing your question now, and will post back with your reply ASAP. What normally happens if something drops past the filter is that it gets stuck part way into the blower at the bottom of the duct. Take a look at this link of the duct. Dryer duct link. You will need to pull it out at the bottom after removing the 4 screws to reach into the opening with the partial flat area at the top. That is where you will find the sock hiding. Let me know how it goes.
I believe in my question I said I had taken the entire back and lint vent cover off already. I cleaned the entire vent and blew out the vent hose from the outside with a leaf blower. I found one sock, not the one that went in recently, nails, bobby pins, sand, sea glass, myriad toothpicks, lint galore, all kinds of treasure, but that sock is not there. The fan spins freely and dryer heats, but it kinda smells like something might be starting to burn. Which I tested while the back and vent chute/cover are still off. I can see through the holes of the drum cover that something might be spinning around in there. What I am wondering is if it is possible that the sock got sucked in past the fan somehow. I already took the duct off. I cleaned it completely. The sock was nowhere in the duct or venting or at the bottom near the fan, which is where I thought it would be. What I am wondering is if there is any other place that freaking sock could have traveled, given the dryer was on and running when the sock went in. It made a horrible noise and I unplugged it.
No other place in the dryer other than wrapped around the back of the blower. If not there, it may be part way out your house duct. The airflow normally goes through the holes in the right side of the rear wall, through the filter and down the chute to the area I said to check. Then trough the blower and out the 4 inches duct and into your house venting. Does this help? Dave.
Well. Yes, that helps to know that there isn't anywhere else for it to go. Must be somewhere up in the house ductwork. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. Dave.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.